So we're gonna be taking care of the chickens today, and
We are gonna wash. There are one that is making noise. It's inside the nest.
what is it?
He's downstairs.
Here it is. Whoa. Soon we're gonna be getting sheep and cows.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a real farm.
Bartola is behind now. That's Sunny. You know Sunny? Look at Sunny. Her name is Sunny. Oh, look, there's a bunch over there.
It's a really nice day outside.
Oh, what's going on with her?
It's sunny and there's a light breeze.
I don't want to be in the video. Look at Bartola. That's Bartola.
This is our dog.
And she take care of that.
She takes care of the chickens. She's really strong. She's been through a lot. And over here, our dog gave birth to puppies. We are only keeping 2 of them. We're planning to give away the others. The brown one and one of the black ones we're keeping. The brown one is Scooby-Doo. I named him. And one of these are Mango. My sister named her. This is the mom. Is Loki the dad?
Oreo.
Who's the dad?
Oh, Lucky.
And our other dog named Loki is the dad. Look how cute they are. And then over here, this is the garden that we're going to use when we have more time on our hands.
Oh, we have chicks. Let me show you the chick.
We have chicks. Mom, you're in the video.
Look at the chicks. Chicks over there.
Look. Wow.
They have 21 days.
Got a heat lamp right there. Extension cords to keep them warm. And this is an old little whatever. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. And they don't use it anymore. They used to use it for storage, but now they don't. We've got a forest over here that we sometimes
I'm
go
gonna
in.
show you something. There's something that we get from when we moved from Florida. That's some part from a water pump.
Cool.
They remember our grandpa.
Is this it? This was here when they first moved here from Florida. What is it again?
It's a water pump. That's part for a water pump.
A water what?
Pump.
A water pond?
Yeah.
Was this bike here?
Okay, put it pause and we are gonna show you the tractor over there.
We also have a tractor over here. Is it out in the woods? Oh, it's right there. There it is. It's huge. Do you still use it?
Yes. We cut the grass with that.
They've got a really big field. Look, there's chickens over there.
Yeah, look at the tractor. We moved from Florida too.
We bring
All
this.
the way south of the farm over there. Look at this stuff.
They had a farm in Florida too. And they bring it. This thing is huge and it has a little protection. Sometimes there's coyotes, wolves, and other things out there.
Okay, so this house.
The chicken coop used to be over there, and it was made. Like they actually like built it, and that's over there because they want it closer. And now we have like more land where we ride our bikes, and
You can put a trailer over there.
yeah, we put the trailer over there. He used to work for Landstar, now he doesn't. And over here we have a big field where they're planning to cut it, and I think that they're gonna have a really good time with sheep and cows over here. There's an old well over there, so I'm pretty sure this used to be an old well. A tree used to be there. I need to be careful here because there's a lot of animals out here. Hopefully nothing bad happens. So here's the hole. I'm not exactly sure what this used to be. There's a lot of space over here. It's really fun to be here because there's so much space for me to play. I could not even get bored here. It's just beautiful. And that's our house right there. Next time I'll probably give a house tour, which will be fun. Those are our neighbors. It's not a very big place, but there's still a lot of people living here and it's fun here. We have a really nice store that one of my friends worked at. Even though the internet may be bad here, it's better for us to play outside than use our internet. That's why they don't care about the internet. They care more about playing outside, having fun, just enjoying nature. This is my grandma. I call her Mom because if you really think about it, your grandma is really just your second mom. She's a little older. Because without her, you wouldn't have been here. And that's the same thing with your mom. She's working right now. So these woods, it's nice. It's a nice day. So I think next video we're gonna do a house tour. Have a good day. Bye guys.